For 40 years, Channel 16 has been a beacon of information in Fairfax County, capturing moments that define our community's history and progress. Join us on a journey through time as we commemorate our milestones and service to the Fairfax County community. Channel 16 made its debut on September 10, 1984. Broadcasting from the board chambers of the Massey Building, we premiered the first gavel-to-gavel coverage of the Board of Supervisors meeting, marking the dawn of a new era in transparent governance. Simultaneously, our screens were illuminated with heartwarming stories from our inaugural show, Adopt a Pet. The following year, in 1985, we launched the county's emergency messaging system and ventured into remote productions, taking our service to the next level. Recognizing the need for education and development, in 1989, we established the Fairfax County Training Network, FCTN. This platform continues to empower our county's workforce with valuable training programs and educational content. In 1992, Channel 16 moved to its new home in the Fairfax County Government Center, setting the stage for expanded operations and services. In 1996, we enhanced accessibility by implementing closed captioning across all programs, ensuring inclusivity for our viewers. By 2001, Channel 16 introduced video-on-demand technology, improving access to our content. We also upgraded the county's emergency messaging system, enhancing our ability to serve the community during critical times. In 2011, we celebrated our first Capital Emmy win for our coverage of the FY 2012 budget process, reaffirming our commitment to excellence in broadcasting. 16 Around Fairfax premieres. This daily show features social media-friendly videos highlighting the latest community events, programs, and services happening around the county. In 2015, Channel 16 began transitioning to high definition. From pre-produced shows to live public meetings, our commitment to broadcasting in HD elevated the viewer experience, providing clarity and detail like never before. In 2016, we further enhanced our capabilities with the upgrade of studio operations to high definition. This advancement enabled us to deliver live-to-tape productions, including Board of Supervisor shows and community events in stunning HD quality. Conference Room 11 was completed in February 2017, allowing the live airing of all Board of Supervisor committee meetings in high definition, and expanding our ability to cover crucial discussions and decisions impacting Fairfax County. In the spring of 2018, Channel 16 completed its high-definition transition with the debut of our remote production vehicle. This state-of-the-art mobile unit empowered us to cover live remote events, such as town hall meetings and community celebrations. In 2019, we expanded community participation by supporting public testimony by video for public meetings, making it easier for residents to engage with county government without needing to appear in person. In 2021, we introduced public testimony by phone for all public meetings, providing greater accessibility and participation for Fairfax County residents. Most recently, in 2022, we added Spanish captions to all live public meetings and pre-recorded shows, ensuring that county information is accessible to our viewers. As we celebrate 40 years of Channel 16's dedication to serving the Fairfax County community, we look forward to continuing our mission of providing informative, engaging, and inclusive programming for many more years to come.